learning games.
It's time to eat! But I don't want to eat it. You can count on us. We will help you make delicious and nutritious meals. Drumstick.
I am a drumstick. I can give you strength. I want to turn into a delicious chicken roll.
Let's help the drumstick pull off bones. Marinated drumstick will be tastier. The oven party is starting now.
Hello, Mr. Dough. Would you like to turn into the chicken roll with me?
Great! Let me help you. The dough will be pressed into thin pancakes. Let's help Drumstick bake pancakes. Wow! The pancakes are turning golden brown. The drumstick would like to invite to make. The drumstick likes to go with this lettuce. One. Not this one.
Hello, Mr. Lettuce, Miss Tomato. Would you like to make the chicken roll with me? Yeah, the chicken roll would be more nutritious with lettuce and tomatoes added.
Well done! Let's wrap them up. It's time to eat! Wow! The roll has both vegetables and chicken in it. I want to be strong. I need to eat more chicken. Rice. Rice! I can help you grow up quickly. Please help me turn into delicious rice balls. The courageous rice is ready to parachute. Wow! The rice has turned into a rice ball. Lady Corn, can I invite some corn kernels to turn into delicious rice balls together?
Sure. Sweet corn is tasty and nutritious.
Help the corn peel off the leaves. Dear pea pods, would you like to join us to turn into the delicious rice balls together? Great! Let's go! What's inside? Peas! Rice balls are hungry. What do they want to eat? Rice balls want to be dressed up. It's time to eat. I am so full. The rice balls are so tasty. I will eat more rice, and I will grow up soon. Broccoli. I am Broccoli. I can enable you to poop easily. I want to turn into stir-fried broccoli with shrimp. Wow! Small pieces of broccoli have been picked. The broccoli pieces are a bit dirty and gonna take a bath. Hello, shrimps! Would you like to turn into stir-fried dish with me? Great! We would love to! Hello, Carrot. Would you like to join us to turn into stir-fried dish together? Of course! The carrot will enrich the flavor of this dish. Let's start cooking. time to eat. The broccoli is so delicious. The broccoli is tasty and healthy.